In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily open and update LibreOffice, ensuring you're always using the most recent version for a seamless experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're ready to launch LibreOffice, look for the LibreOffice icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you've found it, simply double-click the icon. This action will kick things off by opening the LibreOffice Start Center. Now, within the Start Center, you'll notice a few different application options available for you to choose from. These options are the various components of LibreOffice, such as Writer for your word processing needs, Calc for spreadsheets, or Impress if you're preparing a presentation. At this point, you can click on any of these apps depending on what you intend to work on. If you're exploring or new to LibreOffice, feel free to open any app to familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Now that you've successfully launched LibreOffice, it's a great time to ensure you have the latest features and security updates by checking for any new updates. This process is straightforward. Let's go through it step by step. First, direct your attention to the top menu of the application window. Here, you'll see a series of options like File, Edit, View, and so forth. You'll want to locate and click on the one labeled Help. Once you click on Help, a drop-down menu will appear with several selections. Scroll down this menu and click on Check for Updates. This will prompt LibreOffice to connect to the update server automatically. As LibreOffice reaches out to the update server, it will be checking for any new version that might be available. This connection process might take a moment, so it's fine to exercise a bit of patience. If a new version of LibreOffice is indeed available, a dialog box will promptly appear on your screen with the relevant information. This update notification is important as it ensures that the software you're using stays up to date with newer, improved features and essential security patches. Keeping your software updated is crucial not just for optimal performance, but also for maintaining the security of your documents and files. That's all there is to it. Just these simple steps and you're well on your way to effectively managing your LibreOffice updates. Remember, checking for updates regularly can dramatically enhance your experience with the software, allowing you to take advantage of new features and improvements that the LibreOffice team rolls out. Thanks for watching this guide, and happy editing with LibreOffice.